Hey guys, welcome to thekindflux. I am Aarish Nagpal. As you guys already know, I am making videos for nearly 2 months, so I want to take my video editing to the next level this time. I might be making 4K videos in future. I tried it before, but it's a bit hard for me to edit it because my laptop was a bit old and it was taking so long to process it and stuff like that. So I invested a lot of money recently on a brand new laptop, and I will show you, and I already unboxed it, but I just put it back in the box just to show you how it looks like and stuff. It's HP Omen. There are different types of variants. I got the i7 one, it's 10th generation and 3060 RMD graphic card, 6GB and 16GB RAM and 512 gigs of SSD. And I will show you the unboxing right now. Let's get to it. So here's the laptop. As you guys can see, really nice box, and I will show you some specs. It should be written here, not on this side, probably on the other side. And here it is. So these are the basic specs. Let me focus it better. Here we go. And let's open it. Dun-dun. So as you guys can see, Omen logo, and let me grab it. And this is the charger and stuff. I just put it back in, and that's the laptop. Let's start it. It's a quick unboxing kind of thing, you know. Here we go. It's just pulling up Omen logo. It's Windows 10 at the moment, but it's gonna be updating soon to Windows 11 to make it better, I would say. But I would say this would be a really nice laptop, and as you can see, some information here, i7 RTX, and other thing is it also has 300Hz of refresh rate. It's actually a gaming laptop, and I can use it for video editing and gaming, so it's a good investment probably. So let's see how it goes, and probably you will see some more better videos in higher resolutions. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Love you all.